Isha. Okay, so yeah, so she basically just had a little bit of rotation in that upper cervical, and that was it. All right, let's see. What do we got for you? Come here. Yeah, I know. This one. Cute face. Okay, you gotta hold still. Everybody on that left side so far.
Does she nurse more on one side than the others more?
Ellie?
Yeah. No? Okay. Since she had that one thing kind of locked up on her left, I wondered if she'd been favoring a certain side, but I don't think that would affect the puppy's necks.
This is usually birth position.
Birth
just
position
the
related.
way they're,
Yeah.
in utero. There. Good. Yeah, she's a little bit stuck back here. There we go.
She's like growing up to sleep, isn't she? So cute.
Good girl. There. All right.